In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Microsoft Copilot on any device. By the end, you'll know how to access Copilot, sign in for the best experience, craft clear prompts, and tap into its core features for everyday work and creativity. First, let's access Microsoft Copilot. The easiest way is on the web at copilot.microsoft.com using any modern browser. If you're on Windows 11, the Copilot app is likely already installed, and if not, you can grab it free from the Microsoft Store. On macOS, iOS, or Android, download the Microsoft Copilot app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. If you use Microsoft Edge, look for the Copilot icon in the top right corner of the browser. And if your organization provides it, Copilot is built right into Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams with the appropriate license. Next, sign in. You can try a basic version without signing in, but using a personal Microsoft account unlocks chat history, more image creation, and longer conversations. If you're using Microsoft 365 Copilot for work, you'll need your organization's work or school account and the correct license. Signing in helps Copilot tailor context within the services you're authorized to use, while keeping your personal details protected by your account security settings. Now, let's talk about prompting. The quality of your results depends on how you ask. Be specific. Instead of write an email, try draft a one-page proposal for project name based on the files and notes in my notebook. Add context by stating your role, your audience, das, and the goal. Copilot can't guess who you are or what your project involves, so include the key details or attach reference files and links when available. And don't stop at the first draft. Iterate. Ask follow-up questions, request a different format like a list or table, or ask for a simpler explanation if something feels too technical. Once you're comfortable prompting, explore what Copilot can do. Use it to get answers and research, with concise summaries pulled from the web or, in Microsoft 365, from content you're permitted to access. Create and edit content such as emails, blog posts, social updates, images, and even short videos. Analyze data in Excel by asking for trends, summaries, or quick visualizations. In Teams, use Copilot to catch up on meeting highlights and action items. And if your organization supports it, explore Copilot agents in Microsoft 365 Copilot to automate routine workflows. That's it. Access, sign in, prompt well, and explore. Start simple, iterate often, and let Copilot help you work smarter across devices.